Alright, this is my project to install an Ubuntu Desktop computer and a virtual machine in VirtualBox. If you want to see how I download the ISO file, I just went to ubuntu.com and downloaded the 32-bit desktop version. So the first thing that we want to do is create a new machine in VirtualBox. And I'm just going to name this Ubuntu Desk. And it's based on the Ubuntu 32-bit version. And I'm just going to go ahead and give it all the default settings. And before we start the machine, we want to load the ISO file into the optical drive. And we also want to set the network adapter so that it's attached to the internal network, which is CTS 289 net. And we can go ahead and start the machine. And we're going to install Ubuntu. Our language is English. And we're going to go ahead and install now. These are the settings that I'm going to use for the computer details. And now that the installation is complete, we can go ahead and restart the machine. I'm at the login so I can put in my password. And now we're in the desktop. Now that we're into the desktop, we can edit the connections. And we're going to edit the wired connection 1. And we're going to scroll over to IP version 4 settings and put it in manually. These are the configurations that I'm going to make, with the address of 192.168.1.104 and everything else the same that we've been doing for the rest of the machines. And now that I've configured my static IP address, I'm going to go to google.com to ensure that we are connected to the internet. And there it is. We are connected to the internet and can browse google.com. So that's how you install the Ubuntu Desktop in a virtual machine in VirtualBox.